I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth. I choose my clothes. I look out the windows. I drink the water. I open the fridge. I sit on a chair.